In this tutorial, I will guide you on how to check your TNM number. So if you want to check your mobile number for TNM in Malawi, it is very easy. So here I'm in a TNM website, which is tnm.co.mw. So if you scroll down to this general knowledge, you will see here the information has been written. How do I know my phone number? So if you want to know your phone number, it has been written by TNM. So just dial *678# on your phone. So after dialing this *678#, you'll be able to check your mobile number. Another method you can use to check your mobile number is by downloading the TNM Smart app. So on your Play Store or App Store, just search for TNM Smart app, download it and perform the registration. And after logging, on the home tab, you can check your phone number directly through the TNM Smart app. Another method you can use to check your TNM phone number is by dialing other number. So you can dial your friend's number, and after dialing your friend's number, your phone number will be displayed on your friend's phone. So that is another method which you can use, or you can just contact TNM and they can tell you your phone number. But the easiest one is by using the USSD code, which is *678#. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time.